Hey gang, it's Bryan, the Bossman over here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, and today have I got a new product that you may or may not be interested in. You know, it is election year coming up. So for those of you that are Trump supporters, we've got just what the doctor ordered. Make trucking great again mud flaps. Now tell me, who doesn't want a pair of those? Maybe you don't, maybe you do, but if you do, 4 State Trucks is the place to shop. Give us a call.
This is John over here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, Missouri. I'm here to tell you a little bit about Real Wheels Corporation's new pedals that they just came out with. They've had them out there for a little bit now, but they've done a little bit of modifications as far as being able to customize them a little bit. So they've always had the polished billet aluminum diamond plate pedals for both Kenworth, Freightliner, and Peterbilt. And they've also offered it in the blackened billet aluminum. Very, very solid pedals. It used to be to where it just had all of this kind of covered up. Now they've started offering logoed. You can get a truck, Longhorns, USA, Skull, and these are just little inserts that retails for around $10 a piece. And you just stick them right in the middle. You can get them over here at 4 State Trucks in Joplin, Missouri. Just come on down, talk to one of our sales associates.
Hey guys, welcome back to 4 State Trucks here. This is Cotton, and I want to tell you about CB brackets. We got billet aluminum CB brackets. We also have a custom lifetime CB bracket. And then we got one that's stainless steel built by the boys here at Chrome Shop Mafia. This one here, they range from anywhere from $129.99 all the way down to $65.99. Custom for your guys' back of the sleeper or back of the cab. If you don't want to have one on the back of the cab, we have your mirror mounts. Ones they range from $6.99 just up to $12.99 for your CB mounted mirror. So if you need anything for your CB brackets, come on down, see us. We'll get you fixed up here at 4 State Trucks.
Hi, Pena here at 4 State Trucks. I'm here to talk to you today about all the flatbedding equipment that we have here at the store for all your flatbedding needs. We have binders, we have corner protectors, we have oversized loads, signs, and flags. We have straps. We carry all different sizes of chains. We carry all sizes of tarps. We also have ratchet straps. We have different sizes of bungee cords, and they come in bulk packs. So yeah, that was all the flatbed equipment we have here at 4 State Trucks. Come down and see us. We'll be happy to answer any questions you have.